Why is data analytics so vital in the realm of education technology? In a world where data drives decisions, understanding the patterns and trends within educational data can offer valuable insights. It can enhance the learning experience, tailor educational content to the learner's needs, and ultimately improve the overall productivity of the learner and the organization. Enter Blackcoffer, a global IT consulting firm with a proven track record of delivering outstanding solutions for clients across various sectors. Over the past 12 years, Blackcoffer has been at the forefront, providing powerful insights and solutions to numerous Fortune 500 corporations, technology firms, professional services companies, and financial institutions. For a leading EduTech firm in the USA, Blackcoffer embarked on a mission to create a culture management platform that uses learning as the fundamental mode of communication. The platform required an analytics component capable of capturing a myriad of data related to the interaction of the learner with content, assessments, engagements, and forums. The goal? To create personalized learning plans for each user, thereby increasing the effectiveness of learning and its retention. Blackcoffer stepped in to assist the client in deciding the data required for the analysis process. The team developed appropriate models for various tasks and interpretations of how the data would be collected and analyzed. This included the initial response, final response, retention, proficiency, and learning intent of the user. The models were designed for seamless grading at different hierarchical levels, from subsections to sections and from training to advanced levels. The team recognized that each user has a unique aptitude level, basic, intermediate, or advanced. They incorporated these aptitude levels into their analytics. Furthermore, they integrated the grade and time factor into the analysis, allotting more points for tougher questions and quick responses. The project deliverables included Microsoft Excel sheets and Google spreadsheets with proper tables and visualizations. Python was the language of choice for this task, with data science and analytics skills put to good use. One of the significant challenges faced during the project execution was the lack of initial data for analysis. However, the team at Blackcoffer overcame this hurdle by utilizing data simulation techniques. They generated as authentic data as possible using Python libraries and random functions in spreadsheets. They also manually generated data at a small scale, ensuring to include every human factor in the process. In conclusion, this project underscores the importance of data analytics in education technology. It shows how a thoughtful and strategic approach to data analytics can lead to personalized learning plans, enhanced learning experiences, and improved productivity. Blackcoffer's expertise in data analytics and their innovative solutions have made them a trusted partner for organizations seeking to leverage the power of data in their operations. This was a brief overview of the project executed by Blackcoffer for a leading EduTech firm in the USA. For more information or to get in touch with the Blackcoffer team, you can visit their website at www.blackcoffer.com. Their global team of experts is ready to provide you with powerful insights in various fields.